I'm Brandon, and this will be an introduction to the Mingda Magician X2 Premium 3D printer. Today we will be doing the unboxing, assembly, and we will also be running a test print. So let's crack this box open. So this is the gantry, this is the extruder, the main chassis, the power cable, the filament holder, some sample filament, and the tools for the assembly. We're going to start this assembly by attaching the gantry to the main chassis. While you're doing this, you want to be careful not to touch the lead screws. Right, that slides in just like that. Now we need the screws. The next part is to install the extruder. So while you are installing the extruder, be sure to tighten the back screw first rather than the top screw, because if you do it in the reverse, it will affect the quality of the automatic level. The next part installing this extruder is to attach the ribbon wire. Another cool feature about this printer is that it is a direct drive extruder and it removes the Bowden tubing, therefore resolving any issues you might have because of it. Now it's time to auto level it. Oh, we got to plug in the power cable. I plugged it in here, so it was like, oh, we're good to go. No, we're not good to go. Where does it plug in?
Right here. And I'll put there on the corner.
Okay. All right. So now it's time to do the auto leveling test. So to start the auto leveling process, you click leveling. All right, and now it is leveling automatically. So prior to it starting leveling automatically, it has to come up to temperature because the temperature can affect the metal directly. So it has to come up to temperature so that the metal is already affected as much as it's going to be affected so that it can more effectively level the bed. That is the end of the auto leveling process. Now, let's see. Now we are going to preheat to the setting it needs to be for the test print. Where is the preheat? So use preheat. This is PLA, right? Once you select preheat, you need to select your filament type. We're going to be using PLA. next thing to do is to insert the SD card. Upside down. After you install the SD card, hit print, SD, and then the Rabbit test print that is loaded onto it, and then confirm. This printer was purchased from GL Robotics. It's a great deal and very user-friendly, and as you just saw, it requires very little assembly. I hope you enjoyed this intro to the Mingda Magician X2. Keep an eye out for more content coming soon.